Hello everyone. In this video we are going to configure RIP, that means routing information protocol. This routing information protocol is a dynamic routing protocol which uses distance vector method to share its routing information. Here we have taken three routers: router 1, router 2 and router 3, and we have connected 3 PC through one switch to the network 192.168.1.1, and another network here is 192.168.2.1, and we will be going to connect from this network to this network through this router 1, router 2 and router 3, and we will see how the message flow from this PC to the PC assigned or attached in this network through the router. And here we have assigned IP to the PC0, PC1 and PC2 in the range of this 192.168.1.1. If we click PC0 and go to the IP configuration, we can see that the IP address is 192.168.1.2 and subnet marks, and we can see here default gateway 192.168.1.1. Similarly, in the PC1 we can see, and in PC2 also we can see here 192.168.1.4 and the default gateway 1.1. Similarly, and for the network 192.168.2.1, the PC3 has IP 192.168.2.2 and default gateway 2.1. Now we will configure in the router 1, router 2 and router 3, and we can see here are 1, 2, 3, 4 and here are altogether there are 5 networks. First we will configure in router 1, go to the CLI mode of the router and enable, then configure terminal. Then we will assign IP to these 3 interface. First we are going to configure interface gigabit ethernet 0/0 and IP will be 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Similarly, we will select interface serial 0/0/0 and IP address will be 10.0.0.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Now exit. Okay. Interface serial 0/0/1 and IP will be the 30.0.0.2 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Now we will write the configuration for RIP. For that, write route RIP, then the version 2, then we will write the network to share from this router, network 192.168.1.0, and another network 10.0.0.0 and another network 30.0.0.0. Now we have configured RIP in the router 1. In many other cases, if we hover here, we can see here gigabit Ethernet port 0/0 and 0/1, but there are still another interface serial 0 and serial 0/0/0 and serial 0/0/1. We have to manually push the module from here to here. For that we have to, before adding the module, we have to off the, if we zoom in, we can see here we have to power off the router, then only we can add this module as the serial port, and before configuring we have to on it. Now we will configure in the router 2. Go to the CLI mode. Same as before, we will enable and configure terminal and assign IP to the interface serial 0/0/1 and IP address 10.0.0.2 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Then exit, another interface serial 0/0/0, then IP will be 20.0.0.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. then no shutdown, exit, and again we will configure RIP in this router 2. For that we write route RIP version 2, then we'll share the network from this router, network 10.0.0.0 and another network will be 20.0.0.0. then exit. Now we will do in the router 3. Go to enable and configure terminal, then interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.2.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. then no shutdown, then exit, and the interface serial 0/0/1, then IP address 20.0.0.2, then subnet mask 255.255.255.0, no shutdown, exit, and interface serial 0/0/0 and then IP address 30.0.0.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0, no shutdown. Now we will write the RIP configuration here. For that, route RIP, then version 2, then share the network 192.168.2.0 and the network 20.0.0.0 and the network 30.0.0.0. Exit. Now we are going to test the connection from PC0. Go to the command prompt of the desktop, then ping. For that we see here the IP 2.2 192.168.2.2 configuration. Now we can see that ping is successful. Now we will trace. The connection from PC0 to PC3 of another network. We know that in the distance vector router it chooses the shortest path, and for that here the shortest path will be through the port serial 0/01 to serial 0/0/0, and we can see here trace at 192.168.2.2. Here you can see that path has been followed from 192.168.1.1 to the IP 30.0.0.1, then 192.168.2.1. Again, if we ping from here, ping 192.168, then 1.2, connection is successful. We know that. Now if we trace 192.168.1.2, similarly we can see that it chooses the shortest distance. For now we are going to make this shortest path to be disturbed. For that, for now we will disable the port interface serial 0/0/1, and we will write shutdown to disable it. Again, if we try to see the path taken, then trace it 192.168.2.2, then we will see the path is from another routing, through router to 10.0.0.2 and here 20.0.0.2. Again, if we try to enable here, no shutdown, then again try to ping, it will take the shortest path. Alright everyone, in this video we successfully configured RIP routing in Cisco Packet Tracer. We connected multiple networks, configured router interfaces, enabled RIP routing protocol, and verified communication between different networks. This helps router automatically share routing information and learn remote networks dynamically. RIP is one of the basic dynamic routing protocol and is very important for beginners learning networking and CCNA concept. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Cisco Packet Tracer and networking tutorial. Feel free to leave your question and suggestion in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.